Dear students, hope you all are well and good. As yesterday was a holiday, so what you did yesterday? I think some of you went to your relative's house. Some may went for shopping. Some of you may went to your friend's house. So, when we go from one place to another, we say we are traveling. Moving from one place to another is called traveling. Some of you may like to travel by walking or by cycling when you are traveling short distances. Like if you go to your friend's house in your neighborhood. And when you travel long distances, like if you travel to your aunt's house or grandma's house or the place that is far from your house, then you may like to use car, bike, bus, etc. Vehicles that help us to travel are called means of travel. We use vehicles to move from one place to another. Today, we will learn about the different means of travel. So, students, take out Chapter 8 are vehicles and read with me. So, let's start. Moving from one place to another is called traveling. We move on foot or use vehicles to travel from one place to another. So, just now I said to you, so if you are going to your friend's house that is near to your house, then you may use your foot or bicycle to go. Or if the place is far from your house, then you may use vehicles. Now read this. Means of travel. Vehicles that help us to travel are called means of travel. There are different means of travel. Some vehicles move in air, some move on land, and some on water. So you see, there are different types of vehicles. Some may move in air, some may move on land, and some on water. So let us read. Land travel. Some examples of vehicles that move on land are auto rickshaw, buses, scooters and motorcycles. Trains and metro trains move on tracks. So see in this picture, this train, this train is going on the track. Okay. This is the metro train. So it is also running over the track. Now turn the page number 60. Air travel. So read air travel. Aeroplanes, rockets and helicopters fly in the air. They move very fast. So the fastest means of transport is, you know what? Yes, aeroplane, helicopters and rockets. See, this is the picture of an aeroplane, a helicopter, a rocket. Water travel. Boats and ships move on water. See, boats and ships. So there are different types of boats also. Some are motor boats. Yes, there are ferries, then yachts, and there are different ships also, steamers, etc. that travel on water. So, you know, we eat food, so we get energy. Like that, the vehicles, they need fuels to run. Read this. Vehicles need fuel to run. Some vehicles give out smoke that makes the air dirty. We should walk or use a cycle for short distances to keep the air clean. So, you should always remember that we should keep our environment clean. So, to stop the pollution, you should try to use less vehicles, or you should use the vehicles that does not give out smoke, because smoke makes our environment dirty. Now, read this. Words to know. Traveling. Moving from one place to another. What is traveling? Traveling means moving from one place to another. Vehicle. A thing used for moving people or goods from one place to another. Tracks. Rails or two metal lines on which a train moves. So you have seen in the picture the train and the metro train was running on the tracks. See, this is the track. Okay, they are made of steel or iron. Now, let's recall. We move from one place to another in different ways. There are different vehicles that move in air, on land and on water. Some vehicles give out smoke while moving, which makes the air dirty. So, dear students, now let us recall again. So, the different vehicles are run on different types of path. So, some they use land, some of they use air, and some of they use water. Now, again, let us see. See, a bus, a train, a metro train, auto rickshaw, bullock cart, car, motorcycle, scooters are all these vehicles that use land for traveling. So, they are means of land travel. Okay. Now, see, in air, yes, an aeroplane, a helicopter, a rocket. And you know, the scientists and the astronomers, they go far away from the earth in the space with this rocket, or they also use spacecraft. Okay. Now, boats and ships, yachts, all these use water to travel. So, they are means of water travel. Okay, dear? So, this chapter is for your final term. We are reading this so that we may get more time to finish the other chapters as soon as this second term overs. Okay, dear? So, today you will read this chapter 8 and do this page. You have to name the vehicles shown in the picture. I think you can do it. Okay, dear? Bye.